Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2578 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, June 30th, 2020 at 11:16 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:16 p.m. Central Time, and 8:16 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Robbie Light with 5 spots, CRLE with 3, Mats 3, Cirque 2, Florida Panthers with 5, Mitch with 3, Tim 4, CRLE with 1, E-Rock 2, CR Mag 1, Big Dog 1, Bombers 1. Now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. Robbie Light on top, Bombers on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Florida Panthers on top, Bombers on the bottom. Panthers with the Ducks, CRLE with the Coyotes, Robbie Light with the Bruins, TI Boys, Sabres, Flames, Robbie Light, Hurricanes, Florida Panthers with the Blackhawks, E-Rock with the Avalanche, Florida Panthers with the Blue Jackets, Mats with the Stars, E-Rock Red Wings. We have Mitch with the Oilers, Panthers, Cirque with the Kings, Florida Panthers Wild, TI Boy Canadians, CRLE with the Predators, Cirque Fanatic with the Devils, Robbie Light with the Islanders, Rangers, Senators, Mats with the Flyers, Penguins, Big Dog Blues, CRLE with the Sharks, CR Mag Lightning, Mitch with the Maple Leafs, TI Boy Canucks, CRLE Golden Knights, Panthers, Capitals, Bombers, Winnipeg Jets. That's fitting. All right, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Top and bottom. Empty, empty. And we have Andre Pavelski, Future Watch, Tampa Bay Lightning, Auto 211 out of 999. Very nice for Tampa. Tampa Bay Lightning. Pavelski. Here's the back. Let's see who has Tampa Bay Lightning. Houston Heroes. Tampa Bay Lightning going to CR Mag. Congrats. CR Mag. And that was break 2578 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the first spot in bonus 79, and then we're on to break 2619 for the 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.